हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू आवर यूट्यूब चॅनल. आज आपण पाहणार आहोत क्वेश्चन बँकमधील क्वेश्चन 1B नॉन टेक्स्च्युअल ग्रामर, जे आपल्याला 4 मार्कांसाठी आहे परीक्षेमध्ये. त्यावर आधारित काही ॲक्टिव्हिटीज, काही क्वेश्चन्स देण्यात आलेले आहेत, ते आपण पाहूयात, जेणेकरून तुमचा खूप छान पद्धतीने सराव होईल. क्वेश्चन 1B1 डू ॲज डायरेक्टेड ऑर ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशन ऑफ सेंटेन्सेस, जे 4 मार्कांसाठी आहे. त्यातील पहिलं, चूज द करेक्ट अल्टरनेटिव्ह टू ट्रान्सफॉर्म द सेंटेन्स इंटू सिम्पल सेंटेन्स. की आता जे काही वाक्य आहे, या वाक्यांचं जर का सिम्पल सेंटेन्समध्ये रूपांतर करायचं असेल तर कोणता पर्याय, कोणता ऑप्शन, कोणता अल्टरनेटिव्ह योग्य राहील ते आपल्याला निवडायचं आहे. पहिलं सेंटेन्स दिलेलं आहे, आय नो दॅट ही हॅज स्टोलन द नेकलेस, आणि 4 ऑप्शन आहेत. ऑप्शन ए, आय नो ही स्टोल द नेकलेस. बी, आय नो हिम टू हॅव स्टोलन द नेकलेस. सी, आय नो हिम टू बी अ थीफ ऑफ द नेकलेस. डी, आय नो हिम ॲज ही स्टोल द नेकलेस. सेकंड सेंटेन्स आहे, द स्वॉर्ड दॅट इज मेड ऑफ प्युअर स्टील इज ब्रॉट फ्रॉम इंडिया. याचं सिम्पल सेंटेन्स यासाठी 4 पर्याय आहेत. ऑप्शन ए, द प्युअर स्टील स्वॉर्ड इज ब्रॉट फ्रॉम इंडिया. द स्टील स्वॉर्ड इज प्युअर अँड ब्रॉट फ्रॉम इंडिया. सी, द स्वॉर्ड फ्रॉम इंडिया इज प्युअर स्टील. डी, द प्युअर स्वॉर्ड फ्रॉम इंडिया इज स्टील. Third sentence, they took shelter under a building because they were tired by walking. आणि 4 पर्याय आहेत. A, they took shelter under a building as they were tired by walking. B, taking shelter under a building they were tired by walking. C, tired by walking they took shelter under a building. D, they were tired and took shelter under a building. Fourth sentence, not only did his teachers give him enough practice but his parents too. या वाक्याचं सिंपल सेंटेन्स बनवायचं असेल तर त्यासाठी योग्य पर्याय निवडायचे आहे, आणि 4 ऑप्शन आहेत आपल्याला. ए, his parents with his teachers gave him enough practice. B, his teachers and parents gave him enough practice. C, besides his teachers giving him enough practice, his parents gave practice also. D, besides his teachers giving him enough practice, his parents did the same. Fifth sentence, he was a mere student but he offered to solve the problem. Options: A, he was a mere student who offered to solve the problem. B, in spite of being a mere student, he offers to solve the problem. C, in spite of a mere student, he has offered to solve the problem. D, in spite of his being a mere student, he offered to solve the problem. Sixth sentence, he must not be absent or he will be declared failed, or in the event of his being late, he will be punished. Option A, he will be declared fail when he is absent. B, in the event of his being absent, he will be failed. C, in the event of his being absent, he will be declared fail. And D, in the event of being declared fail, he will be absent. त्यानंतर आहे, चूज करेक्ट अल्टरनेटिव्ह टू ट्रान्सफॉर्म द सेंटेन्स इंटू कंपाऊंड सेंटेन्स. की खालील वाक्य जर कंपाऊंड सेंटेन्समध्ये रूपांतरित केलं तर योग्य पर्याय आपल्याला याच्यामधले निवडायचे आहेत. की कोणता योग्य पर्याय राहील कंपाऊंड सेंटेन्सचा. त्यासाठी वाक्य आहेत. पहिलं सेंटेन्स आहे, सतीश मस्ट वर्क व्हेरी हार्ड to rescue his brother. Options: A. Satish must work hard. Satish must work very hard so as to rescue his brother. B. Satish must work hard as well to rescue his brother. C. Satish must rescue his brother and work very hard. D. Satish must work very hard and rescue his brother. Second sentence. The witness said that Mohan was guilty. Oblique, he declared his innocence. Option A. The witness told that Mohan was guilty. B. Mohan was guilty told the witness. C. The witness confirmed Mohan's guilt. D. The witness found Mohan guilty. Third sentence. The citizens who have paid the taxes are always respected. Option A. Tax-paying citizens are always respected. B. The citizens paid the taxes and get respect. C. The citizens pay the taxes for respect. D. The citizens pay the taxes and are always respected. Sentence fourth. The interviewer was annoyed that he had not answered his queries. Option A. The interviewer was annoyed as he had not answered his queries. B. The interviewer was annoyed at his not answering his queries. C. The queries were not answered and the interviewer was annoyed. D. The interviewer was annoyed at answering his queries. Fifth sentence. I was surprised when I heard him reveal the secret, or I was surprised to hear him talk so. Option A. I was surprised to hear him reveal the secret. B. I was surprised for his revealing of the secret. C. I was surprised to hear his revealing the secret. D. I was surprised to hear his reveal the secret. Then choose the correct alternative to transform the sentence into complex sentence. की दिलेले वाक्य जर कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेन्समध्ये ट्रान्सफॉर्म केलं तर योग्य पर्याय कोणता राहील? सेंटेन्सेस पाहूयात. फर्स्ट, सर्च हिज रूम अँड यू विल फाइंड द क्ल्यू. ऑप्शन्स आहेत त्यासाठी. ए. If you search his room, you will find the clue. B. If you search his room, you will find the clue. D. If you search his room, you will have found the clue. Second sentence. The luggage was not misplaced, but it was kept deliberately. Option A. The luggage was not misplaced but kept deliberately. B. The luggage was not misplaced although it was kept deliberately. C. The luggage was kept deliberately although it was not misplaced. D. The luggage was kept deliberately to misplace it. Then choose correct alternative to frame a WH question to get underlined answer. की अंडरलाईन केलेला जो काही भाग आहे वाक्याचा तो उत्तर यावा अशा पद्धतीचं WH क्वेश्चन तयार करत असताना कोणता पर्याय हा योग्य राहील किंवा कोणतं योग्य उत्तर असेल? सेंटेन्स पाहूयात. पहिलं सेंटेन्स आहे सम ठग्स ट्राय टू स्नॅच हर गोल्ड चेन आणि हर गोल्ड चेन खाली अंडरलाईन आहे. पर्याय आहेत. ए. व्हॉट सम ठग्स ट्राय टू स्नॅच. बी. व्हॉट डीड सम ठग्स ट्राय टू स्नॅच. सी. व्हॉट सम ठग्स स्नॅच. डी. व्हॉट डीड सम ठग्स ट्राय टू स्नॅच. सेकंड सेंटेन्स. Arunima was retrained as a mountaineer. आणि अ माउंटेनियर खाली अंडरलाईन केलेला आहे. ए. What was Arunima retrained as? B. What was Arunima retrained? C. What did Arunima retrain? D. What was retrained Arunima? Third sentence. An exceptional battle had begun inside the train on the move. आणि inside the train या शब्दाखाली अंडरलाईन केलेला आहे. ऑप्शन्स आहेत. ए. Where had an exceptional battle begun on the move? B. When had an exceptional battle on the move begun? C. Where had an exceptional battle begin on the move? D. Where an exceptional battle had begun on the move. Fourth sentence. With the help of the technology, I started responding the treatment. With the help of the technology या खाली अंडरलाईन केलेलं आहे. ऑप्शन्स आहेत. ए. How I started responding the treatment. B. How did I started responding the treatment. C. How I start responding the treatment. D. How did I start responding the treatment. Fifth sentence. Ishita invites my family members on my birthday for celebration. आणि on my birthday या शब्दाखाली अंडरलाईन केलेलं आहे. ऑप्शन्स आहेत. ऑप्शन ए. When Ishita invited my family members for celebration. B. When Ishita invite my family members for celebration. C. When do Ishita invite my family members for celebration? D. When does Ishita invite my family members for celebration? त्यानंतर आहे चूज करेक्ट अल्टरनेटिव्ह टू मेक द गिवन सेंटेन्स एक्सक्लेमेटरी. की खाली दिलेले वाक्य जर एक्सक्लेमेटरी बनवायची असेल तर कोणता पर्याय हा योग्य राहील, तो योग्य पर्याय आपल्याला निवडायचा आहे. फर्स्ट. You performed the very energetically in front of the visitors. Options आहेत. Option A. How energetically in front of the visitors you perform. B. How energetical in front of the visitors you performs. C. How energetically in front of the visitors you performed. D. How energetically you perform in front of the visitors. Second आहे. You have narrated a very romantic book. Any options? Option A. You have narrated a very romantic book. Option A. What have you narrated a very romantic book? B. What book you have narrated a very romantic? C. What a romantic book you have narrated. D. What a romantic book you have narrated. त्यानंतर चूज करेक्ट अल्टरनेटिव्ह टू मेक द गिवन सेंटेन्स निगेटिव्ह. की खाली दिलेल्या वाक्याचं जर का निगेटिव्ह सेंटेन्स बनवलं तर कोणता ऑप्शन हा योग्य राहील. फर्स्ट सेंटेन्स. Sunita is the most loyal employee of our firm. Options. A. Sunita is not the most disloyal employee of our firm. B. Sunita is the most not disloyal employee of our firm. C. No other employee of our firm is as loyal as Sunita. D. No other employee of our firm is the most loyal as Sunita. Second sentence. As soon as he entered the room, he noticed the unusual presence. Any options? A. As soon as he entered the room, he did not miss the unusual presence. B. As soon as he entered the room, he unnoticed the usual presence. C. No sooner did he enter the room than he noticed the unusual presence. D. No sooner did he enter the room than he noticed the unusual presence. आता हे होतं क्वेश्चन 1B1 मधील. त्यानंतर क्वेश्चन 1B2 स्पॉट द एरर, जे आपल्याला 1 मार्कासाठी विचारलं जातं. स्पॉट द एरर अँड रिराईट द करेक्ट सेंटेन्सेस. तर त्यासाठी काही सेंटेन्सेस देण्यात आलेले आहेत. त्यामधील चूक शोधून आपल्याला ती वाक्य करेक्ट करून लिहायची आहेत. फर्स्ट सेंटेन्स, द नंबर ऑफ पीपल डू नॉट मॅटर. Second, I am liking to see movies at the theater. Third, I never forgets the given responsibility. Fourth, he has often asked me to think before I speak. Fifth, no sooner did I challenge the man than he accepted it. Sixth, we are the more strongest community in the world. Seventh, I entered the room for search documents. Eighth, we can plant the trees in order saving the earth. Ninth, I usually ask my employees to be punctual in their tasks. 10th, the training came to an end before you left the city. 11th, if you challenge me, I had accepted it. 12th, the manager was looking into the missing file. 13th, she is more taller than all her brothers in the family. 14th, he said he did not wanted to go to bazaar yesterday. 15th, mango is the bestest among all Indian fruits. तर हे होते क्वेश्चन 1B आधारित क्वेश्चन 1B1, क्वेश्चन 1B2, जे 4 मार्काचा आपल्याला नॉन टेक्स्च्युअल ग्रामरसाठी विचारण्यात येणार आहे परीक्षेमध्ये. त्यावर आधारित हे ॲक्टिव्हिटीज क्वेश्चन्स होते. अशाच प्रकारचे नवनवीन व्हिडिओ पाहण्यासाठी, क्वेश्चन बँकमधील इतरही विषयांचे क्वेश्चन्स जाणून घेण्यासाठी व वेगवेगळ्या विषयांचे विविध टॉपिकवर सोल्युशन्स पाहण्यासाठी या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. आमच्या चॅनलचे सर्वच व्हिडिओज ताबडतोब तुमच्यापर्यंत पोहोचण्यासाठी बेल आयकॉन बटनला क्लिक करा. हा व्हिडिओ तुम्हाला आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा. तुमच्या मित्रमैत्रिणींमध्ये, गरजू विद्यार्थ्यांमध्ये जास्तीत जास्त प्रमाणात शेअर करा. काय अडचण असेल, काही सजेशन असेल, काही इन्फॉर्मेशन असेल किंवा रिप्लाय द्यायचा असेल तर कमेंट बॉक्समध्ये कमेंट करा. हा व्हिडिओ अत्यंत काळजीपूर्वक आणि सर्वात महत्त्वाची गोष्ट टिल द एंड शेवटपर्यंत पाहिल्याबद्दल धन्यवाद. थँक्यू. थँक्स अ लॉट.